You know, I just wish that I could find something for this. I think we need something for it. It's just too quiet. But what are we gonna do? Let's try something, shall we? Wasn't so bad getting those off. Well, maybe we'll be happier now. Loud. It's too loud. No. Hazen, where should we go look for some exhaust?
The forest.
What forest?
That forest.
We have a forest. We're gonna go look and see if we can find something worthwhile. Come on, buddy, let's go. Come on, dogs, come help us out. She's deaf, she's new. Hello, Nova. We're gonna go find exhaust in the forest. Oh, look, a pine tree. Holy crap, look what we found in the forest. What did we find?
Exhaust.
Grab it, let's take it to the garage. Let's go get this on. All right. Oh yeah, perfect. What did we find? What is this? What does that say?
Vance and
Hines. What's my name?
Vance.
Is this a perfect exhaust for the
Yes.
bike? Yeah. Well, now that we found exhaust in the forest for the bike, there it is, all installed. I had an accident with some cleaner the other day. Don't judge. Let's see how she sounds. So, unbelievable. I looked all over for this. So, okay, Vance and Hines, here's my gripe with you right now. This bike is amazing. It stopped production only in 17. We're only into 21. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. That's 4 years. That's not that old of a bike. Yes, I know. I talked to you guys about this, and you said, well, it's really hard to make and blah, blah, blah. Well, you should have kept going, because guess where I had to source this from? This had to come from Ireland. I have a friend on one of my Vrod forums that just happened to have this set.